Do you love it? Okay, so let's do an example. Laser hits glass at a 23-degree angle from the air. What angle does it make with the bottom surface of the glass after entering, right? So this is a hard problem because 23 degrees, is that our angle of incidence? Is that the angle we use in our formula? No, okay, so that's not it. We're going to have to find what that angle is. And then when we calculate the angle of refraction, it'll be this angle here, and we'll have to like pay it a compliment or something like that, right? Like, you look nice in that kind of thing. We can do it though, right? Okay. So let's solve this guy. Okay, comes in at a 23-degree angle. So the real angle of incidence is what? 67 degrees, right? Right, so the notion is we don't use this angle, we use 90 minus 23, which is 67, okay? And then we want to find this angle here, right? This is what we're actually going to calculate. This is theta 1. N1, I'm going to say is 1.00. It's really like 1.00. Is it 0.0003 or 0.0003? Did I say the same thing twice? Sorry. Okay, but it's, you know, with 3 sig figs, certainly it's 1.00, right? And then this is going to be, N2 is going to be equal to 1.51, and then we can calculate this angle, right? And we're going to use this, right? So let's be good IB students and use it the wrong way that IB writes it, okay? So 1.00 over 1.51 equals the sine theta 2. That's what we're looking for, right? I'm just doing this. I'm filling this guy in, right? Theta 1 is 67, right? Sine 67. Now checking that you are in degrees and not in radians, okay? Prenez vos calculatrices et computez-la. Et faites-la. Aren't you have to do like an inverse sine or something? Okay. What mode am I in? I am in degrees. This is good. Clear. Okay. Sine 67 divided by 1.51. So I get that the sine of theta 2 equals 0.6096 something, right? And then I have to take the inverse sine of that. Inverse sine of the answer I just got. 37.56, anybody get that? Yeah? So theta 2. So it's approximately, we have 2 sig figs, so it's about 38 degrees. That's an 8 that tried to be some other number first, and then I was like, oh yeah, because it doesn't ask for what that angle is, right? It wants to know this angle, right? By the way, generally people ask, they don't do that thing of like they give you the wrong angle. I was just giving it to you to strengthen you. Okay, so then this angle would be what? 52. Yeah, there we go. So I just go minus 90, and I get 52.4. That angle is 52.4 degrees if that one's 23. Yeah? That's not hard, is it? Is that hard? Dimensions also. Da, 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 da.
Let's do it in 3 dimensions.
Try that one. So I'm giving you the right angle. 25 is theta 1. N1 is 1.00. N2 is what you're trying to find out. 17 is theta 2, right? So see if you can figure out what N2 is what you're doing. When you do these problems, you just pick one of the mediums one of the media to be media 1 and the other one to be 2. Brody, did you guys figure out who killed the flower baby? There was, forensics there was a crime scene, and I'll give you guys the clues. There was a flower baby. It had been shot with a dart, apparently from a blowgun, and had been stabbed with a half a scissors.
Who could have done such a thing?
I think they fingerprinted or attempted to do so.
No, I wiped whoever did probably wipe their fingerprints. Yes, sir.
Which angle is 25? The side that it's on or that line?
This one that's labeled here with the perfectly drawn arc. So yeah, the angle I'm giving you is the correct angle to use in this case. So this is not like the example we just did. Therein lies the rub.
The exact opposite.
Who's missing? Are we all here? We are. We're all here. Are we all here? We are. Yeah, you got it.
Now that's the one that you do. Yeah.
Yeah. So this problem is 1.00 sine 25 equals n2 sine 17, right? So n2 is just going to be sine 25 divided by sine 17. This is times 1.00, yeah. Yeah. Yes, yes. What units? Here, I'll help you spell the units. A, S, yes, that's right. Huh? There are no units in this. That's right. Say it again. No, I always make N1 be the first one and N2 the second one so that I don't forget. Yeah, I think the 5 though is. Oh, does it round to something that's lower than that? As we only have 2 sig figs, but my answer has 3, which is sort of mysterious. Sine 25 divided by sine 17. Yeah, it would actually be 1.4 properly. I think it rounds down. That's right. I get 1.445. You can't round like starting from the right side and go to the left. Keeps going up. So the important thing here, that's right, is that you probably should plug your ears. I'm just thinking. You should probably plug your ears. I'm just thinking that you should probably plug your ears. Is he awake? Woo! That's right. What units, Julian?